Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about cybersecurity ethical hacking. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of cyber? What is the meaning of cyber? Cyber is nothing but digital world, sir. Cyber is nothing but digital world. Okay, what is the meaning of cyber? Cyber is nothing but digital world. Means wherever, wherever the devices, wherever the devices or applications are connecting with internet. Okay, in the digital world, in the internet world whatever the applications which are going to be connecting with and whatever the devices which are going to be connecting with, all these are under the cyber world. Okay, meaning of security, sir. Home needs security, office needs security, and one organization needs security. The same time, this kind of digital world, this kind of digital world also needs security. Why? Because of 95 95% transactions today in the world is going to be happening with digital only through the mobiles, smartphones, Android phones, smart watches, smart cars, or whatever it may be, any application, web application, or SAP applications, or different kind of applications, whatever it may be. The data is going to be exchanging between the two devices or two applications using by the internet. So when the data is actually exchanging, if the data is if the data is mandatory data or important data, if the data is going to be getting hacked by hackers, everything is going to be destroying, na? Okay, how the hackers are going to be hacking your devices and how the hackers are going to be hacking your bank accounts and how the hackers are going to be hacking your different kind of company applications. And there are a lot of headaches which are going to be available. Okay, for that, security is mandatory. In that area, in that area, cyber security is there. Okay, cybersecurity is not a course. Cybersecurity is a big environment, a bigger ocean. In that, there are multiple things, 200 plus modules which are going to be available. Okay, something like black hat testing and red hat testing and gray hat testing, white hat testing, different kind of testings which are going to be available. Okay, come to the point. What is this cybersecurity? I want to write the definition first of all. Everybody confusing, sir, what is the cyber security, what is this ethical hacking, all these things. Don't worry, I'm going to be giving you the clear picture about all these things. Okay, cyber security is the practice of protecting systems, is the practice of protecting systems, protecting systems. Okay, what kind of systems? Internet connected systems, comma, networks. Okay, and programs and digital attacks and programs from digital attacks. Digital attacks. Okay. So this is the very simple definition. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from the digital attacks. Okay. So these cyber attacks, let me write properly. These cyber attacks, these cyber attacks, hmm, are usually aimed at accessing, or usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying, changing or destroying, destroying sensitive information. Sensitive information. So you may ask a question, sir, what is the sensitive information? A bank transaction which is going to be happening with, that is a sensitive information or not? Or a company information, company related projects, company related applications, company related data. It's a sensitive or not? Everything is sensitive. Government related data is sensitive or not? So sensitive information. Yeah. And this is what actually I want to tell you guys. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, programs from the digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information. Come to the come to the ethical hacking. You may ask a question, sir, what is the difference between the cybersecurity and ethical hacking? Sir, ethical hacking is the module of cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is the module of cybersecurity. Ethical hacking or penetration testing or red team testing. Ethical hacking. So people are calling this one ethical hacking or penetration testing. Penetration testing or red team testing. Red team testing. Sir, I will tell you later what is the red team testing, what is the blue team testing. Something like offensive security, defensive security. So we will discuss about the differences between the offensive security and the defensive security later. But come to the penetration testing, this is the red team testing. Red team testing, not blue team testing. Okay, is authorized. Penetration testing, red team testing is authorized. Authorized. Testing of systems. Testing of systems. Weakness. Weaknesses before the malicious actors. To find and fix security weaknesses. Security weaknesses before malicious actors. Before malicious actors. So that is a point actually. Okay. So this practitioners, whatever the practitioners of this particular ethical hacking, okay, practitioners must always have, must always have written permission and follow laws and policy. Written permission and follow laws and policy. Laws and policy. Yeah. This is what actually ethical hacking is. Ethical hacking is a part of cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is not a different kind of course. Ethical hacking is a part of cybersecurity. If somebody is going to be saying that ethical hacking is cybersecurity or not, yes, ethical hacking is cybersecurity. IAM, Identity Access Management, that is also cybersecurity. SOC, Security Operation Centers, that is also cybersecurity. Later, I will tell what is this SOC and all. Okay. So coming to the prerequisites to learn this particular ethical hacking. What are the prerequisites? Sir, basically, if you want to learn cybersecurity or this one ethical hacking, you should have some networking basics. Networking basics. Networking basics. And Linux. Linux. These two are enough. These two are enough. Sometimes some scripting is required, then we will learn Python. Already we have a lot of Python videos uploaded in the Mohansh YouTube channel. You follow the Python videos. That is add-on for your resume better. And we will discuss what are the tools we are going to be using for this, what are the types of this ethical hacking and all in the coming video. Okay. How the jobs are available for this ethical hacking? Let me show. Let me show how the jobs are available for ethical hacking. Can you see? If I search in LinkedIn, you will be finding out a huge number of job openings which are going to be available. You just scroll down, change the pages, you will be finding a lot of job opportunities. Jobs are there. If you go to Naukri, even in Naukri also, you will be finding out thousands of jobs. If you go to the shine.com, you will be finding a huge number of job openings. You can see this cybersecurity analyst, cybersecurity third party risk senior analyst, cybersecurity analyst. Hmm. Huge number of job opportunities. If you go to the Indeed.com, let's go for the Indeed.com. Can you see API developer, cybersecurity frontier firewall expert, cybersecurity compliance engineer, cloud AI, manager ALMI engineering, and PSOC manager, cybersecurity related jobs, security engineer L4. Sir, there are some levels, sir. Later we will discuss about the levels. What the level and which level, what the work is there in the particular ethical hacking. In the particular SOC, uh, there are some level L1, L2, L3. L1, what is the work? L2, what is the work? L3, what is the work? We will discuss about it. Okay. So just go through the Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. You will be finding out ethical hacking course content. You just see Mohansh Technologies is specially designed all the emerging courses like different kind of cybersecurity courses. We will be having different kind of IAM tools, PingFederate, Okta, CyberArk, 4G Rock. At the same time, we will be having ethical hacking. We will be having SOC. Not only this, we are going to be having generative AI and blockchain W3JS. Can you see this? Can you see this? Mohan's technology specially designed courses, only trending courses. Mohan's Technologies specially designed all the courses, trending courses. Who, which courses having a good job market in the outside? When you open this, you can see this. We are going to be getting starting with quantum computing soon, and ethical hacking is there, SOC is there, MuleSoft is there, Okta is there, full stack Murray is there, full stack Python is there. There are some live classes already going on. I will give you the group links in the description. If you want, you can just inquire there, and you can call the Mohan's Technologists. They will guide you, and we are going to be providing career guidance. If anybody want to understand about the market, sir, I'm fresher, sir, I'm experienced, sir, I have this experience, that experience, sir. Yes, you can call us. We will definitely solve your problem. Not an issue. Okay. So that's all. In coming videos, we will go through the ethical hacking, different other kind of concepts. We will deep dive into the different kind of concepts in the ethical hacking. One by one, concept by concept. Just try to understand. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please subscribe it. Click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, then only notifications will come to you. Provide comments, sir. Comments are needful. Thank you. See you signing off.